everyone, I'm Dr. Mabel, board certified dermatologist. Welcome back to my clinic. Today I wanted to answer one of the questions that was sent to me over one of my social media channels. And the question goes, so the patient had a TCA cross done and now she has dark spots dun sa areas na TCA cross. So what is the best treatment daw to improve yung dark spots after the TCA cross procedure? Okay, so first of all, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, what is TCA cross? TCA cross is trichloroacetic acid chemical reconstruction of skin scars. So basically, we use a very high percentage of acid, specifically trichloroacetic acid, which is a peel, and then we put that or we apply it doon sa specific scars. So the scars should be deep and they should be ice pick scars. Pwede rin box scars pero dapat medyo malalim. So dapat yung scars medyo malalim na ganyan. So then, pag ganyan yung scars, pupunta yung peel doon sa area na medyo malalim, and then ang gagawin nun is susunugin niya yung channel na yon para magdikit siya and aangat siya. So yun yung ginagawa ng TCA cross. Kaya helpful siya only doon sa mga scars na medyo malalalim. Pero pag hindi siya malalim or medyo roundish lang siya na medyo flat, we don't do TCA cross kasi lalo siyang mag-widen. Anyway, going back to the question, bakit siya nag-develop ng pigmentation after TCA cross? Kung chemical peel naman ito. First of all, mataas kasi yung percentage ng peel or ng TCA sa TCA cross. Kaya normal lang magkaroon talaga ng darkening doon sa mga spots na yon. The pigmentation will actually heal naman by itself. It just takes longer compared to the regular chemical peel. Kasi if you can imagine, a regular peel, we only use, if it's TCA cross, we only use TCA 15, 20, or 30. Compared to TCA cross, ang ginagamit natin is TCA 90, 95% or 100%. So, di ba, ang laki ng difference niya. Talagang napaka-concentrated or napakalakas ng TCA sa TCA cross. Kaya talagang mag-burn yung skin. Pero yun naman kasi talaga yung purpose niya. I-burn yung depression na yon para magdikit siya at umangat siya. Kaya talagang i-expect natin na medyo magda-darken yung area na yon. As I mentioned earlier, kusa naman siyang mag-i-improve. Medyo matagal lang as compared to the regular chemical peel. So for example, kung chemical peel nag-improve yung skin mo in 1 week, usually TCA cross mag-wait ka mga 3 to 4 weeks para talagang medyo maging kasing kulay na ng skin mo yung mga areas na TCA cross natin. But kung gusto mong mag-improve siya ng mas mabilis, you can apply naman medicines at home. So, usually we apply whitening creams and of course, kailangan natin ng sunscreen para hindi siya lalong mangitim. So, yung mga whitening creams, it depends on the whitening cream na i-apply mo. There are whitening creams na pwede i-apply both day and night. There are other whitening creams naman na pwede lang sa gabi. I think also if you apply an exfoliant like retinoids or glycolic acid, that will also help kasi parang micropeel na yung skin mo and then mas mabilis yung pasok ng mga whitening cream doon sa area. So, I just want to basically reassure you na it's normal, you know, it's normal to have those dark spots after TCA cross and it will go away. We just have to be patient, and what we can do is don't be too aggressive that you're going to get another procedure so early on after your TCA cross. Kasi baka you're thinking na parang after TCA cross you can get another peel. Don't do that. Usually you have to let your skin heal by itself also. Or if you want to, like, maybe you're thinking after the peel you can get laser. I'm also not going to support that, because I really think your skin needs time to heal by itself. So I would go for a safer route, and that is by applying a very effective or very good sunscreen and whitening cream, and also a little exfoliant every night. So there. I hope this helped you. So if you want any recommendations for whitening creams, maybe I'll list them down in the comment section below, and you can just check them out. Thank you. Bye.